Hey friend, it's a girl Precious Carlo here. I know you might be dreaming of escaping the 9 to 5 grind and building something truly your own. Well, the incredible opportunity that the internet has actually opened can benefit you too. So today I'll discuss the top 5 money making skills you can learn online even if you're a complete beginner. So buckle up because you are about to unlock the key to a financial freedom and a career you would actually love. The world is moving online and so are jobs, and remote work is no longer just a trend, but it's the preferred profitable reality, opening up opportunities for individuals to break free from the traditional work from home restrictions. And this means no more feeling trapped in a cubicle, no more rigid schedules, or no more bosses trying to micromanage you every single time. You can be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from home anywhere around the world with a laptop and an internet connection. And I know that you might know this or you are already in this, but you want to learn the skills that are in demand at the moment. So right now I'm going to talk about the 5 in-demand skills that can turn your passion into profit. Number 1 is copywriting. This is mastering the art of persuasion. And imagine drafting copies or processing website copies that convert visitors into customers, creating engaging social media posts that spark conversations, and developing captivating and persuasive email campaigns that drive results. Resources like HubSpot Academy offer free courses, while online platforms like LinkedIn, Fiverr, and Upwork can actually connect you with clients seeking for copywriting expertise. Number 2 is social media management. When you are a social media guru or a social media professional or a social media expert, you create content that resonates with audiences, that drives engagement, and manage vibrant online communities that drive brands to new heights, either to make more money or any other goal that the company actually have. So Hotsuite Academy provide free courses to hone your social media management skills. Also, you need to stay up to trend and connect with like-minded individuals as well. Number 3 is virtual assistants. When you are versatile and you have skills with diverse opportunities, you can provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients from the comfort of your home. Imagine for a few seconds the flexibility of working on varied projects for different clients. You can use resources like Udemy courses, which can also help to train you better. And number 4 is web design. Web design is now high demand, and even basic knowledge can open doors to exciting opportunities. So just take a look at yourself designing some beautiful designs with user-friendly website that leaves a lasting impression. With courses from Coursera and Code Academy and online tools such as Wix and Squarespace, I love Wix. You can get skilled to become a highly sought after web designer. Now let me tell you a little bit story about me. Well, for me, I didn't know how to design a website. What I did was to learn. I started to practice. I designed my own website myself. You can go to preciouscarlo.com or let's say www.preciouscarlo.com/ for you to check out the website I designed myself. It's not too professional, but it's user-friendly and it's amazing. So you can start practicing on these skills. These are something that are in demand and customers and clients are looking for your services. So get to work and learn, and then start practicing, start offering these services to people who need them. This is what is going to make you the money. Number 5 is online marketing. So you become a professional in online marketing by understanding the magic of attracting different customers in different digital channels. Imagine learning SEO strategies that boost your visibility, mastering pay-per-click advertising to drive targeted traffic, leveraging email marketing for effective communication, and then using analytics to measure the success of the campaign. You can check out courses from Google Digital Garage. You can also check Google Skillshop and platforms like MailChimp and Google Ads for continuous learning and networking opportunities. Always remember that learning a new skill is a journey that requires time and effort. Fortunately, the internet provides a wealth of resources to support your growth. Start with free or paid courses, explore online platforms to connect with potential clients, and join communities to network and learn from the experiences of other people. Don't forget to practice. Your path to growing from 0 to 1 million begins with the first step towards achieving these valuable skills. You can choose from numerous skills because these are just a few. But first, you need to understand the skill. What is it for? Who is it for? The problems it can solve, through what platform or channel, and then how to solve that problem. So that's it. Don't wait for another day. Choose one skill today that sparks your interest and start learning. If you found this video valuable, kindly smash the subscribe button right now and leave a comment below. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.